Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. It's on Alphaeon credit card. Basically, they'll offer you a line of credit where you'll be able to use it. Now, you might be saying, what do they do there? Where can I use this card? Now, remember when I did a video on Care Credit about 3 years ago? If you're trying to get a procedure done, trying to get some work done to your body, if you're trying to get some veneers done, you're trying to get some denture done, if you're trying to get that root canal that been in your mouth for 5 years, you could use the Alphaeon credit card, which is really easy. You could get pre-qualified. You might be saying, what do you need? You can have a little as a 640 credit score. They will be looking at your Experian credit. So please do not have a lock on it. Again, they're backed by Community Capital Bank. So they've been around for a while. Now, just to let you know now, when you do get pre-qualified, right, and they do send you out this credit card, you will be able to use it anywhere you're trying to get your procedure done. So if you're trying to go to this dentist, you'll be able to use it. If you're trying to get some sculpting done to your body, you'll be able to use it. It doesn't matter. Even if you're working and you have your own insurance and you're trying to make your copay, you'll be able to use it with the Alphaeon credit card. It's real easy and real simple. Now, this is an easy way. You might be saying, hey, I don't need to use it for no medical issue. You could just have it to build your credit score. Again, they're going to give you a limit up to $25,000. Now, are you going to get the $25,000 limit? Everybody will be different. But just imagine if you have this report to all 3 credit bureaus and reporting a $25,000 limit. This is going to look really good for you. Again, with a low credit score, you can get approved with a 640. So again, it's up to you. Now, you could go over to here to the AMC Visa card where you'll be able to use this card anywhere, and they will be looking at Experian as well, and you could do a soft pull and they will show you that limit and that APR. So again, people, I drop all these little nuggets for y'all because I want to see everybody win as well. I don't want to be winning in my life and everybody that's following me is struggling. I give you these easy pre-qualifications so you can start building your credit profile. A lot of times people just think because I got credit strong, is that gonna? No, banks want to actually see credit cards, installment loans, revolving accounts, so you can really start increasing that credit score, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, but for now I'm up out of here. Peace.